Welcome to Appspotr Academy. Today, we'll explore the Parse Number logic block. This tool converts text-based variables into numerical values, enabling you to perform calculations and other operations within your app. Let's go through the steps to add and configure the Parse Number logic block in your workflow. Drag the Parse Number logic block into your workflow, integrating it into your app's logic. Next, connect the Parse Number block to an event from your view. This event, defined as an output event in the view component, will trigger the number parsing process. Click on the Parse Number block to open its configuration settings. Here are the key configuration steps. Choose whether to parse the number as an integer or a float. This determines whether the output will include decimal places. Next, specify the text variable containing the number you want to parse. This can be a static value or a dynamic value from your application's data. Define the output variable or state where the parsed number will be stored. This output can then be used in subsequent logic blocks or calculations. Finally, set up toast messages for on success and on error scenarios. These messages provide feedback to the user based on the success or failure of the number parsing operation.